All right, so I'm looking at Connect Math Homework 3. This problem comes from 7.6. It's about student loans. We have a $3,400 student loan at 6.3% for a 2-year community college. Then afterwards transferring to a state university, borrowing another $12,500. The rate on that is 7.2%, and it's the student graduates 4 years, 4 months after the first loan, plus there's another 3-month deferral. The second loan was acquired 2 years after the first and has an interest rate of 7.2%. So, in order to do this problem, this is very similar to in-class assignment module 3. And we'll start with, for part 1, find the total amount of interest that will accrue for loan 1, which is the community college loan. So, in order to find that, we're going to start by finding the daily interest amount, because I need to know the monthly interest. But before I can find monthly interest, I have to find the daily interest. And that is found by taking the principal. You're going to multiply it by the interest rate and divide by 365.25. That's one of the formulas that we have in the guided notes. So the principal on this one is $3,400. The interest rate is 6.3%. So I'm writing it as a decimal. I get this amount. So when I do this multiplication, putting it in my calculator, 3,400 times 0.063, and divide that by 365.25, I end up with this number. Connect Math is kind of picky. It says to round all answers to do 2 decimal places. So for this one, 0.59. Because I'll look here, look 1 over, I'll round that up. So that's the daily interest amount. So to find the monthly interest amount, I will multiply by 30. I multiplied by 30 as opposed to 31 or 28 because it doesn't specify what days of the month or what months of the year, I'm sorry. So I'm just going to assume a 30-day month. When I multiply 0.59 times 30, I get $17.70. And that will be my monthly interest. So now I have to figure out, okay, that was I had it for that loan for 4 months, 4 years, 4 months, plus 3 more months of deferral. So 4 years, that's 48 months, plus additional 4, plus additional 3. That's a total of 55 months. So take the 1770 and multiply it by 55. And let's see what we get. So I come up with 973.50, which is the answer to part 1. And so let me pull up my sheet here, and you can see 973.50.